Hey, Nick from Arbor Arms, just here to do a quick explanation of how the link chest rig system works. So the idea is you can take your load as you would have it on your armor, and you can convert it to a chest rig very quickly. So all you're going to do is remove the radio. It's on one of our wing LZs. I'm going to take that off the cummerbund. And then over here, we have a 2 mag or water bottle pouch on the LZ. So we could put a 16-ounce Nalgene in there, or just like a generic water bottle, or any like-sized items. There's also another insert for a single mag that has a shot cord tension, and we'll also do like smaller radios. So we're just going to set that aside. We're going to unclip our placard. Let's flip it so we can get rid of our plate bag now. So we've got a small GP, a Minimus, 3 mag placard, and then it's got the recce panel. So all that is also scalable, so if you wanted to add or delete anything there, you can. Then we're just going to take our padded backer, going to add that. That's got spacer mesh, so it's going to be moisture wicking in a warm environment. So we flipped it over, so I'm going to reverse these two items. So now we take our link wherever it's stowed in our pack or whatever, and we're just going to unfold it real quick here. So then we're just going to clip into the shoulder straps into the placard. And on the shoulder straps, we've got anchors along here to attach a tradesman pack. There's a bladder that will carrier that'll attach to here. We got a little bit of loop for name tapes or what have you, and then the straps are on a 550 loop here, so it allows it to go to any angle depending on what your body type, big lat guy, whatever, is going to accommodate any body type. There's also no hardware here on the back, and that's so that when you're rucking, it's going to be as comfortable as possible with as little likelihood of hot spots as possible. So we're just going to take our wing, it's on this tube, clip it in, and then once again we've got an LZ on the wing. So then we just take our radio, we're going to leave it rigged into the carrier, and then just pop it straight onto the LZ. So obviously we'd probably route a hand mic for that, but we're just going to skip that. So then for this side, we have a 4 MOLLE mag back wing, and so we can just clip that guy on and then insert our magazines, and these have a stiffener in the back to help you reinsert magazines when you're wearing it, so you can hit that back stiffener. They'll also obviously accommodate items that are not magazines but are similar to a magazine in size. So that's it. We've quickly converted that chest rig. It's adjustable for ride height there. And then this is just our back strap here. Come check out the link. We have a lot of different wing options, so you can tailor it to whatever load you want. But the idea is to keep your setup the same across different platforms and keep everything in the same locations. I'm Nick from Arbor Arms. Check us out, arborarmsusa.com.